This is Michael Reesberg-Timmer. I'm going to be documenting a video tutorial on how to get started with Java for the CS 2530 um, intermediate programming course with Mike Holmes. So if you're in that class, you can access everything in this video from his personal website on the resources page, or I'll provide the two links in the description. So the first step you're going to want to do is you're going to want to go for the Java JVM, which is the Java virtual machine. This is what allows us to run our programs from the command prompt. So it's going to take you to just the Java page for downloading. You hit this free Java download button, and it's just going to be a basic installer. Just run everything for the default installation path, change it if you have to. Um, then after that, you're going to want to get the Java JDK. You're going to show up on this page, and if you hit JDK right here, it'll bring you onto a page that looks a little like this. The one we're going to be using is the Java SE Development Kit 8U102, just because that's the most up-to-date version. So you click Accept License, and then you click the proper version for your machine if you're 32-bit or 64-bit. And then that'll give you another installer that you run. So after you have both your installers installed, then the next step is you're going to want to find your installation path. So for mine specifically, I installed it onto my C drive into my program files under Java JDK, which is for Java Developing Kit. And then you go into the bin directory, and this is where the actual Java application and your Java compiler are. And what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on it and copy this to your clipboard. And then in your search window, you're going to look up this PC. And if you right click that and bring up properties, it'll bring up a window that looks a little like this. This is also where you find out if you have a 32-bit or 64-bit operating system for your downloads. And if you go right over to the right, you can click on Change Settings. And then in this window, you're going to want to click on your Advanced tab. And then we're going to go to Environment Variables. Now in the top half right here, we're going to want to set a new variable. And we're going to name it Path in all capitals. And the value is going to be where our bin directory for the Java JDK is. We're just going to hit OK. OK. And close everything out. And now we should be good to run our Java. So if we open up the command prompt, we can test it promptly by typing javac. And if you get a list like this, that means you're in the right path because you can access the javac application. If you don't get something like this, it may show something saying that javac isn't a recognized internal command. That means something went wrong along the way, and you should restart until you get to this point again. And then from this point, you're good to use Java, and everything's set up.